Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Sherwin. So last time we unboxed this Louis Vuitton CP wallet vertical. And today guys, we were gonna unbox this Louis Vuitton Initials men's belt. Let's open it guys. So ito po yung dust bag ng belt na to. And about the price for this belt, just give me 1 second. So the price for this belt is here we go. It's a 740 Canadian dollar before tax. Sa Philippine money po ay nagkakalaga siya ng 29,836.80 for this wallet. Bali ano siya, 95 cm reversible. So ito po yung latest na gawa ng Louis Vuitton para sa men's belt. So yung buckle niya, here we go. Ito po siya. So ang kabila po niya is this one. And we're looking for the date code of this belt. The date code is, which one? This one or this one? It's MO2490. No. So made in Spain. Pag gagamitin po natin yung other side ng belt na to, igaganon mo lang siya. And then that's it. We're gonna here. So ganyan. So black. So this is how it looks like guys. Wallet, bag. So ito naman yung other side ng bag. Thank you for watching again guys. See you on my next video again.